This is how I got this car about 10 years ago. It was all burned up and ready to scrap. I threw cheap paint on it, but it was peeling faster than my excess makeup in the sun. So I did what any car guy would do. I parked it in a garage for 9 years, telling myself this year I'm gonna fix it. This year I actually did start. First job, replaced the entire cooling system because this thing eats radiators like candy. Then after a fire, what could come next? Obviously a flood. The car flooded itself when the heating radiator broke. Took her for a test drive, which honestly concerned me, and then I sent her to the paint. Here's the result. For the budget I had, I'm more than happy with it. I also found an original front bumper on eBay and fitted the lights. Still need a turn signal, a new front headlight, a new rear light strip because this one is broken and they are really hard to find, and I need to pull the front wing more to the outside a bit. The interior still needs refitting. Engine sounds good, but I think it's flooding the cylinders. Won't restart once it's poured. And here's my latest bad decision, a Golf Mk2 that somehow drives, despite shot electrics and dead bearings. Took it for a short spin, kinda works. Its body is surprisingly straight and very little rust on it. Stick around for the next episode where we get into the details and probably more bad